foot's grey all the way to see home, and we talked about what we did when we were kids. We asked each other stupid questions, talked about the silly things. If only it could always be like this. We followed the path round the coast in the sunshine. You couldn't help but hold me to you close. When you touched me, I felt an aching fear of losing, fear of breaking. It took a while for that feeling to go. We both knew we were just treading water. Eventually drown each other, grab hold of you, pull you under. Mine's already the blues color. Now I remember all of the best times, like one weekend under stars when we first met. We climbed a hill to those abandoned trams, lay together underneath the pines and skinny dipped in the river as the sun set. And in all of the pictures that we're together smiling, we both held our annoyance deep in our chest. Sometimes we wanted to scream aloud, but it's easier to shut them out than risk breaking our many woven threads. We both knew we were just treading water. Eventually drown each other, grab hold of you, pull you under. Mine's already the blues color. Eventually drown each other, eventually drown each other, screaming, losing someone who's still breathing. Eventually drown each other. Eventually drown each other, screaming. Eventually drown each other, heaving. Eventually drown each other. 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 Mm-hmm.